Hey everybody, it's Mr. Bluebeard, Josh Bentley, and I want to talk to you today about the SAP Community. Again. You might have seen my recent videos about different functionalities in the SAP Community like time zones and notification settings. Well, today it's about classifying posts with tags and labels. There are two different types of tags, SAP Managed Tags and User Tags. SAP Managed Tags are a type of tag derived from SAP's official list of products and solutions, and they're fixed. A user tag, instead, is a single keyword or phrase that further describes the topic, theme, or subject of the content complementing the managed tag. They are also known as article user tags in blog post, question user tags in Q&A, and message user tags in discussions. And members can create their own user tags. So that's a lot of info about tags. Now, labels are used within the SAP community to help categorize content in discussions, blogs, Q&As, and knowledge bases. They enable you to categorize the content you write based on themes or content in the article. Unlike tags, labels are predefined by a community admin and typically controlled for consistency. Let me show you how to add an SAP Managed Tag, a user tag, or a label. When you create a blog post, simply click on the right side under SAP Managed Tags and type in the tag you're looking for in this field. It'll pop up and you can select it here. Alternatively, you can go into the body of the message and use the hashtag symbol and type the same tag you're looking for. A list will pop up and you can select it from there. In the same edit mode of this post, you can select one of the predefined labels. And also, this is where the user tag field is, where you can set your own user tag. You can also add an SAP Managed Tag to a comment. Simply use the same method of the hashtag symbol when typing your comment out in the comment section. I know, it's a lot to take in. So if you want to review all this in more depth, you can find information in the FAQ and help section. Links will be added to the description of this video. I hope you're all set now, and in the next video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to content including tags or labels, because this helps you get notifications once there is new content published. Stay tuned.